Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up GitHub Actions CI CD for Node.js deployments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up GitHub Actions for continuous integration and continuous deployment of a Node.js application, you first need to navigate to your repository on GitHub. Once there, click on the Actions tab at the top of the page. If it's your first time using Actions, you may see suggestions for workflows. You can either choose a suggested template or click on Set up a workflow yourself to create a custom one. Next, you'll be directed to an online editor where you can define your workflow. In the editor, start by naming your workflow file. Use a descriptive name such as cicd.yml. Make sure to save the file in the .github/workflows directory. Now, it's time to specify the event that triggers this workflow. Add the keyword on followed by the event you want to listen to, such as push or pull_request. For example, on push branches main will trigger the workflow on pushes to the main branch. Next, define the jobs that will be executed when the event is triggered. Start with jobs, and then give your job a name, such as build. Under your job, specify the environment where it will run using runs on. For Node.js deployments, you can use Ubuntu latest as the environment. Now, add the steps key to denote the actions that need to be performed in this job. The first step should check out your code from the repository. Add name, checkout code followed by uses, actions/checkout at v2. Next, set up Node.js in your workflow. Use name, set up Node.js followed by uses, actions/setupNode at v2. Specify the version of Node.js you want to use with Node version 14 or what. Now it's time to install your dependencies. Add a new step named Install Dependencies using run npm install. After the dependencies are installed, you can run your tests. Add a step for testing your application, such as name run tests with run npm test. Once the tests are successful, you can add a deployment step. This generally involves running a command like npm run build followed by your deployment script. For cloud services like Heroku or AWS, use the respective GitHub Actions for deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.